Yeah, good morning, students. So ERP, fourth unit, part two. Uh, Now we are going to discuss with the part two. Okay, now the continue the class. Now continue the class. Oracle Enterprise Planning Cloud. So this Planning Cloud based software application suite introduced by Oracle Corporation in 2012. Oracle Corporation in 2012. Oracle software it is introduced by since 2012. The Oracle ERP Cloud manages enterprise functions. Cloud manages enterprise function. The Oracle ERP Cloud manages enterprise functions, including accounting, financial management, and project management and procurement. So this Oracle application are using these kind of areas and including accounting, financial management, and project management and procurement. So this Oracle ERP Cloud is an end-to-end software application. This Oracle application end-to-end software application as a service suite that manages enterprise operations. The suite runs on an Oracle technology stock on Oracle Cloud Centers. Oracle ERP Clouds is accessible through both public and private cloud implementation and support. So this is the hybrid deployment. This application is hybrid deployment. Oracle suppliers update to Oracle ERP Cloud and at least twice annually. At least twice annually. So according to the company's website, there are 9 different software modules we have. So according to the company's website, there are 9 different software modules. So that make up the Oracle ERP Cloud suite. Namely, what are the 9 applications under Oracle? So these areas, these specific areas, the Oracle applications are using. So financials and accounting hub and procurement and project management, the risk management and enterprise performance management (EPM), enterprise performance management, AI apps for ERP, AI apps for ERP, and supply chain management (SCM), NetSuite. So in these areas, in these key areas, are we are using Oracle application. Once again, I tell you, financials, whatever cost finance and cost accounting and management accounting and whatever the way whatever applications, whatever accounts, we are using Oracle applications, financials, accounting hub, procurement, project management, risk management, enterprise performance management. It's called EPM. AI apps, Android apps. AI apps means Android suits, mobile apps like mobile banking, like that. AI apps for ERP and supply chain management, SCM, and NetSuite. So in these areas are we are using Oracle. So Oracle Enterprise Resource Planning. So in this in March 2017, Oracle ERP Cloud received HIPAA certification. HIPAA certification. So in this HIPAA certification, the software suite is designed to support international enterprise function. It is not a national level. So international level they are modifying in when it is since in 2017, March 2017. So Oracle ERP Cloud received what certificate? HIPPA certificate. HIPPA certification. This software suite is designed to support international international enterprise function, and include multi GAAP, AP. So in this multi-currency, multi-language, and multi-discipline, multi-subsidiary capabilities. So in this Oracle application, which has been which has been uh, provide the application systems and provide the application systems and integration systems, whatever application systems they are training the HI application system and package system and Oracle system, whatever applications they are introducing. They are Oracle applications, and are introducing financial accounting hub and procurement and project management and risk management and enterprise performance management. These key areas are we are using Oracle application. The HIPPA compliance, there is one that can certify that one organization. HIPAA complaint, HIPAA, we call it as a HIPAA, HIPPA. The Office for Civil Rights, the Office for Civil Rights from the Department of Health and Human Services. From the Department of Health and Human Services is the federal governing body under HIPPA certification. So HIPPA certification, most probably this is abroaded company. So HIPPA certificate recognized by the Department of recognized by the Department of Health and Human Services. Health and Human Services. Health and Human Services. So in this regarding health and human services, uh, there is not a certification that you can get the will validate your level and complaints. It is validating and levels of complaints. HIPPA certification. So this is the Oracle Enterprise Resource Planning Cloud. The next one, PeopleSoft. PeopleSoft. So this PeopleSoft Inc. was company. It is a PeopleSoft company that provided human resource management system. PeopleSoft. So provided human resource management system, HRMS. So in this human resource management system, so we need a financial management solutions. It is called FMS, and supply chain management system, SCM, customer relationship management, CRM, and enterprise performance management, EPM, and software, as well as software for manufacturing and student administration to large corporations, governments, and organization. It existed an independent corporation unit. Existed independent corporation unit. Acquisition by Oracle Corporation in